Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. I'm going to show you some cool things here. This that I just built goes in here, so it snaps into place. And then this, like I said, was the support we were building. Yep, and of course, some of that's going to fall off. It's not a problem, because I can always turn it around for a second. Make sure I'm putting it in the right place. Putting this in the right place. Get all this tightened up. So like I said, this thing wants to fall off for some reason. Yeah, I feel like I'm not putting that in the right place. Let me check something right quick. Curiosity. No, it's got to fit right there. Okay. Odd. But whatever. I think this thing is supposed to move. It's just that I think it moves too much on me. Like, this is the only support for this thing, which is kind of odd. But like I said, you know what? I have to be careful with it for right now until I can get it attached some other way, because it's not, yeah, this is crap. This is the worst design I have ever seen on anything I have ever built in my life. This is supposed to go right here. And that is supposed to go right there. I wish it would stop frickin' trying to come off, because that is flimsy as crap. Okay. I'm going to keep going, because eventually I'm going to frickin' secure this thing to where it's going to be where it needs to be. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.